Hey there, it's your good friend Springtrap. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a microwave quesadilla. So first, you're going to need the bag of tortillas. The reason you need the bag is because we can't afford to get real tortillas. So you put it on the plate, then you grab your cheeses. Again, in a bag, because we can't afford to get the real cheese. So now, you get your bag of cheese, and you get that cheese all over, making sure to cover the tortilla. This is very, very important, because if you don't cover the tortilla, it won't taste good. It won't melt right when you put it in the microwave. So you're going to want as much cheese as you want, but it's still very important that you cover all of the quesadilla. Put as many different kinds as you want. As you can see, we're up to our third kind. Isn't that just lovely? Let's get a close-up shot. Now, as for this cheese, you're going to want to carefully open it, because I do believe it's almost liquidy. We've got creamy Asiago cheese. That's the real good stuff. It's good. You're going to want to put it on the tortilla once you open it. You're going to want to find some way to break it up and spread it to make it to where it is at least somewhat covering the tortilla. And be sure to wash your hands. It's very important. You don't want dirty hands everywhere. Now that this is done, you're going to want to put perhaps a sauce very, very lovely sauce across your cheese. And once you are satisfied with whatever else you may or may not want to put on it, you just simply cover the rest of it with the other tortilla that you will need. Then you put it in the microwave. Microwaving it for roughly 30 seconds. And that's pretty much how you do it. Now we're gonna cut to the next step. And let me turn this thing off. So after putting it in for 30 seconds, we find that the result is not quite good enough. So we're going to put it in for another 30 seconds to see how that does. So about a minute in total. We're going to cut back when this is done. So we actually put this in for another 30 seconds and got the desired result of meltiness. So, yes. That is what you want to do. A minute and 30 seconds. Now, you're going to want your best knife to cut the quesadilla. You might not want to use a butter knife though, but that's what we're using. It is finished. Bless you. Alright, so now we have the drinks poured, the plates set. I hope this was useful to someone. Next episode will be, well, I don't actually know what it'll be. You'll see that, I guess. So, yeah. Bye. See you next episode.